In today's video, I am going to be checking on my budget that I just completed. It is very important that I'm checking in almost daily because I just want to make sure that everything is being spent the way I have budgeted it to be spent. And so I just wanted to come on to do a little bit more of a frequent update. This is something that is important if you are starting over in order to really get over that first hump, just to make sure that you're checking in as often as possible, okay? So in the first area of ties, this has been given, mortgage has been taken care of, HOA has been paid. This is $367.28. And then SiriusXM, this is on auto pay and this has come out. And then pest control is on auto pay as well and this has come out. And credit card number 1 is on auto pay and this has come out. Internet cable is also on auto pay and this has come out. And then home security is also on auto pay. I have a lot of my bills on auto pay, you guys, and that has come out. And then electric, this is not on auto pay, but I did go on and manually make this payment. The water bill has been paid as well. I manually made that payment. And this is on auto pay, so this is not paid yet. And because I don't want to make the mistake, I would pay it early, but because it's on auto pay, I don't want it to double pay like my other credit card did the last time. So everything as it relates to my bills is happening the way that it should happen. Now going down to the area of variable expenses. Now food and groceries, I'm not going to really total that yet. And then household, I'm not going to total this yet either because the pay period is not over. But one of the things that I forgot to put on here was gas. Now for my gas, usually I budget $120 for it, but I'm not going to do that this time. I am just going to see how much money I spend in gas over this 2-week period. I did get gas yesterday and it was $28. So I'm going to keep a running tally of my gas in my expense tracker so that I can make sure that I budget the correct amount. Another thing that I forgot to budget for is toiletries. So I'm going to write this down here. Usually what I do is I separate my household from my toiletries, and I really like to keep it that way. I knew that I had some additional household items that I needed to get, but I had forgot to budget for the toiletries. So when it comes here, I'm going to see how much money I spent in toiletries at the end of the pay period. Now going up to the savings, I did take out money. I took out cash for the savings. I save best when it comes to cash. So let me grab that. So usually I would have a full on cash envelope stuffing video. I'm not quite there yet. I'm not quite there yet, but I will get there very soon. So right now, I took out money for car registration, which was $150. Oops, I got money everywhere. And usually I would separate this, but I'm not going to do that today. So for I did take out money for savings. So I did break out my savings challenge binder, which I do aspire to start this again. And we are in the month of July, and I decided to go ahead and save $70. So I'm going to have to add that there. So for July, that was the $70 was, what was it? 70, 50, and 20. Where did I get? I guess are we in July? Y'all, I took the 50 and the 20 from June. Oh well, just let me cross it off. It don't matter. I'm like, wait a minute, I took from the wrong month. So I did save some money in July or January, sorry, and I haven't saved any outside of that. So we're just gonna go over to June, and then we're gonna take the 50 and the 70. This is starting off real rough, y'all, but look, it looks a little rough in the beginning. So this is everything for the Savings Challenge binder. And then let me add this here because this was done after the actual budget. Okay, now next, car registration, $150. And this is something that I am saving. My car registration is going to be due soon. Do I have like a car registration? I don't think I have a car registration in here, but I do have just a regular savings envelope. So I'm just gonna put this money in here. So this here is for my car registration. And then I'm saving $100 for hair and 75, wait, 150, 175. That's for car registration, hair, and nails. So this is 150 plus 100 plus 75. So 325 this should be. Let's see if that's what this is. I think that's what it is. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, and then 25. So I'm just gonna put this in my savings envelope. Right now I don't have it broken up, and that's okay. I'll break it up, meaning have a separate envelope for separate stuff. And I will be getting back to that soon. So I'm gonna put that here. Put this page back right here. I am gonna need my bill tracker. And then there's nothing right now for debt. So I'm gonna go ahead and check off all of the bills that I have paid on time in the month of July. This one is not due yet. Okay, so this is it for the month of July. I'm sorry, for this check-in that I have created. So that is pretty much it for today. I have already kind of started, this budget off pretty good. One of the things that you want to do is come and look at your budget every single day. And then make sure that you are expense tracking. So, and then as far as my goals here, let's see if I've done anything. I haven't created my rewards list. I will be doing that soon. Okay, so I am in the process of doing all of this. I'm in the process of doing all of this, but I did just want to come on and do a really quick check-in with you guys and to encourage you, make sure that you are doing your check-ins because it is really important for you to make sure that you are going to be successful in your budget. So if you have any questions, please leave them down below. But thank you guys. See you in the next video. Go be great, besties. Peace out.
You're special and you're reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she's my bestie. My love for you is endless. nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing.